You have your typewriter. So I want to show you some important things that you need to know how to manage it. So here you have this lever is the color changer, so you can type in black or in red. So for moving the carriage you need to press this lever, when you move to the left, and you can normally move it to the right like this. So this lever is for rolling the paper, and you can adjust it over here in the positions 1 or 2. So if it's 1, it will roll less than in the 2 position, and for locking it, that it will be locked, we put it in the middle dot over here. So, and now you see when it's pressed, but otherwise it's locked. Like this, we can freely. So the capital letters, okay, the holding capital letters, and now if you want, so backspace, and now if you want to change the direction, because you see when they are rolling clockwise, and I installed the next one here, and here you have a plenty one. So once all the ribbon will roll from one side to another, you can change the side. So if in case you buy ribbons, would you have the full ribbon over here, and you want to go from here to here like this, so from here to here, you can just do it like this. So, and now when you just pull like this or like this, so now you can see that it's rolling there otherwise. So like this. I will keep it as it should be, but just your mind, and you can check it by hearing this sound. So when I look into that, I can do it, but if I move it like this, you can hear the sound. So